Let's navigate to the settings icon, select Members, let the page load. Once inside, you have the full list of the members you have invited on your premium site. Now, look for the person you want to make an admin. I will take Albumin as an example. I will click on the three dots. As you can see, this user is already an admin. So I will make it a member. And in the same way, I will click on the three dots and make him an admin again. Now I will navigate to the settings again, click Teams. It will show the entire list of your teams. I will click on the name of the team I want to work in. And Albumin is the first one in my list. He is already an owner. So if I click on the arrow, I can change his role to user. Now he is a user. Click the arrow again and make him an owner.